The makeresults command is a powerful utility in Splunk search processing language that allows you to generate synthetic test data. This command is essential for creating mock events when you need to test your searches, build dashboards, or demonstrate Splunk functionality without relying on real data. Whether you are learning Splunk, developing new search queries, or creating proof of concepts, makeresults provides a quick and efficient way to generate the data you need. At its simplest form, the makeresults command requires just a pipe symbol followed by the command name. When you run pipe makeresults without any parameters, it creates a single synthetic event with the current timestamp. This basic syntax is the foundation for all makeresults operations and serves as your starting point for generating test data in Splunk. To generate multiple events instead of just one, you can use the count parameter. By adding count equals 10 to your makeresults command, you instruct Splunk to create 10 synthetic events instead of the default single event. The count parameter accepts any positive integer value, allowing you to generate as many test events as needed for your specific use case. The real power of makeresults becomes apparent when you chain it with the eval command to add custom fields to your synthetic events. In this example, we generate 5 events and then use eval to add 2 custom fields: user with the value John and status with the value active. This technique allows you to create structured test data that mimics real-world scenarios and field patterns. For more realistic test data, you can incorporate randomness using the random function. Here we generate 100 events and create 2 fields with random values. The score field uses random modulo 100 plus 1 to generate random numbers between 1 and 100. The category field uses a case statement with random values to randomly assign categories A, B, or C to each event. This approach creates varied, realistic test datasets. Makeresults excels at creating time-based synthetic data. In this example, we generate 24 events representing hourly data. Using stream_stats, we assign an hour number to each event. Then we manipulate the _time field to create timestamps spanning the last 24 hours. The temperature field uses a sine function to simulate realistic temperature variations over time, creating a convincing time series dataset. Makeresults serve several important purposes in Splunk environments. For testing searches, it provides sample data to validate your search processing language commands and transformations without affecting production data. For dashboard demonstrations, it generates consistent data for prototyping visualizations and showing stakeholders how dashboards will look and function with real data. When using makeresults, follow these essential best practices. First, use reasonable count values to avoid performance impact on your Splunk environment. Generating millions of synthetic events can slow down your system unnecessarily. Second, always chain makeresults with eval commands to create meaningful test data scenarios that closely resemble your actual data structure and use cases. This approach ensures your tests are realistic and valuable. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.